The next thing we're going to do is build our little pocket insert, our little folio insert. And you should, if you got the collection kit, you'll have some of this really pretty Spectrum cardstock. I think it's called Tricycle Red. And I took the 12 by 12 sheet, I cut it in half at 6. And then just like we did to build our card base, I put score tape along the end and joined it to create this folio. And I can see I need to trim just a little spot right here. So we'll just do that real quick. And then I scored at every 4 1/4 inches. So this little bundle folds up, and I'll show you again how I did that. I'm just collapsing it in on itself so that I have a solid fold on the left. And then I placed a magnet here and a magnet here, just like we did on our flap page. So this is going to be a little magnetic closure folio for photos of the holiday. So I pre-cut pieces, and you're going to need 10 pieces that measure 4 1/8 by 5 7/8. And I cut those from the 6 by 6 bundle pack, but you could certainly use the 12 by 12 papers. And then you're going to need 2 pieces for this little flap on our folio that are 1 7/8 by 5 7/8. And I think we'll just go ahead and put this guy together. It shouldn't take us but a second. Okay, so now for our cover, I've matted this little sentiment from the cut apart, double matted it on both of our cardstocks, and I'm just going to add adhesive on that right hand side and center it. And we can't put a lot of embellishments on this because it has to be able to fit into our pocket. So bear that in mind. But inside, if you wanted to, right here, you could pick another image. Let's do these cute little puppies in a stocking. And you can adhere just, again, the right-hand side on that little flap area, which will look really cute. And then you can still stick your photo back behind with no problem. Try to keep it straight. And if you wanted to, you could go in here and add here some sentiments, like "We woof you a Merry Christmas," and just glue it down on one side so that photos can stick back behind. But again, you don't want to add too much to this because it's got to be able to fit in that pocket. So 1 or 2 things is probably enough. Maybe just this: wishing you a season filled with warm hearths, cozy beds, and tasty treats. Let's open this up so we can see what's decorated and what's not. Yeah, let's put this on this stripy page. Just like that. Of Of course, you can take stickers from the sticker sheet. That's always a great way to dress up a page without adding a lot of bulk. But look how cute that is. And it's got a magnetic closure. And we'll bring in our card base. It's going to fit nicely into the pocket. Look how cute.